it's only recently that vets who have taken either a 5 or a 6 year, or sometimes in some cases even a 7-year degree, have been allowed to call themselves doctor.
Yeah.
And of course, all the doctors of philosophy are now up in arms because they did their first degree and their second degree and their PhD to earn their doctorship or doctorateship or whatever you want to call it.
But you know the history of the Dr. Mr. saga.
I know at least one myth of that history, whether it's true or not, about the best surgeons being butchers in those days.
No, it was originally the Royal College of Barber, or the College of Barber Surgeons of England. Okay, so they applied to have their members, and there were probably only about 20 of them at the time, recognised as doctors because they were performing treatments on patients. The Royal College of Physicians basically, excuse my French, said, fuck off, you haven't got a medical degree, you can't call yourselves doctors. So there was a core group of about 5 of them that did actually go to medical school, got a medical degree, became entitled to call themselves doctors, and said, fuck off, we don't want to do that, we're going to call ourselves Mr. We're better than you, we're doubly qualified. And the old white and red revolving thing for the barbers is blood and bone, as a result of the College of Barber Surgeons of England. But that was given a royal decree somewhere in the 1700s, so it became the Royal College of Surgeons of England. But we today remain the only Royal College of Surgeons, those in the UK, where our surgeons are not known as doctor, they are known as Mr. Now, to flip the coin, and this is why I said you can call me what you want, Mike, because I am now a visiting professor of orthopaedic surgery in Dubai.
Right.
And it's fascinating there because wherever you go in the hospital there, they will call me Dr. Andy. Dr. Andy this, Dr. Andy that, whatever. And it's totally different to get used to. It's just a cultural thing. It's absolutely fine. If you go to the States, you're doctor. Mr. is very strange to them over there.
Yeah. I used to work when I did HIV research. My boss, a lovely guy, he was Austrian, and he was called Herr Professor Doctor. Now he was a medical doctor, so he got a medical doctoring degree. He then did a PhD, and so technically he called himself, or was allowed to be called, Herr Doctor. But then he became a professor, so it became easier because it was Herr Professor Doctor, not as clumpy as Doctor.